Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Today Grandpa will be trying out our brand new Hauswirt Stand Mixer. We're very excited to make our favorite almond flour cake that we make often. And this is a cake made from scratch.
First we got to plug it in. And when we plug it in, the LED readout lights come up on top and a light comes on going into the bowl. I'm going to put in our shield. So easily bring it around, pull it up, and it's in place. Now we put our whisk in. Press our lever to lower it. Press down, you hear it click into place, and we're set to go. We have a little opening here to add our ingredients into the bowl. So we're going to take 4 eggs and we're going to blend them in the mixer. So I come over here and pour our eggs in. It's all set up here. Press the speed button, and now I'm putting the speed up. To mix our eggs up. Put it up to 7. Now I'm going to add the vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of honey, excuse me, that mixed up there. So we got the honey going in. Now we're slowly going to be adding our flour. So that was 1.5 cups of almond flour. Now we're putting a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. That light is nice feature, so I can see in there. If I didn't have the light on, I don't think I could see it that good. So we put it in a pause mode. Open it up to look at it. Okay, looks like we gotta take our spatula and put the flour off the side down at the bottom and mix it up a little bit more. Okay, and we have our batter. I've already pre-greased our cake pan, greased up with butter. Take our spatula, scrape it down. So now we have our almond flour cake in our pan, all set to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And this is my first use of this new Hauswirt Stand Mixer. Now I'll put my cake in the oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees.
How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Looks beautiful. Blueberries, whipped cream. It really came out nice, Ma. The almond flour cake. We enjoy it with the whipped cream and blueberries on top. Very flavorful. The texture is nice. Seems to be a little bit better than when we mix it with the old hand mixer.
There's no comparison having a brand new stand mixer compared to our vintage one.
I believe it's that new whisk. And this cake is not too sweet. We don't have granulated sugar in it, we just use the honey for sweetness. It gives it a nice little bit of sweetness, but not overpowering.